person for trade talks with the U.S., said that both countries had reached a consensus in Geneva to de-escalate the damaging tariff war, urging Washington to broaden the scope of cooperation between the two. The announcement on his official media handle comes after U.S. Treasury Secretary Scott Bessent told reporters on Sunday, following this high-level meeting with the Chinese Vice Premier, that the details of the new trade deal struck between Beijing and Washington would be made public on Monday. After 2 days of negotiations with Bessent and other top U.S. officials, he wrote on X Media, the two sides have agreed to establish an economic and trade consultations mechanism to maintain communication on their respective concerns in the economic and trade fields.